In this video, I will show you how to show products left in stock on your Shopify store. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then click Customize. Once you're inside the theme editor, click the page selector at the top and select Products, then choose the default product template. Now click on the Product Information section. From the left panel, click Add Block, then search for Product Inventory and click on it to add the block to your product page. You will now see the inventory status appear in the product preview. If you want to change its position, simply drag the product inventory block to your preferred location. If you don't want to display the exact number of items left in stock, click the product inventory block and turn off Show Low Stock Quantity. Once you're done, click Save. Now open any product page on your Shopify store, and customers will see the inventory status or the number of items left in stock, depending on your settings. That's how easy it is to show products left in stock on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.